Actually, modernity is a term used to differentiate something that is not modern, So it's basically to emphasize, put in certain kind of a superiority. That is the way it has been used. But I am actually turning it around. Because whom we are putting down are the illiterate people. You know, either tradition and modernity or literate and illiterates. This is where the, superiority establishment is happening. So, so to me, modernity. So when I began to look at the fundamental difference between modernity and tradition, or I would call it literates and non-literates, the way now I redefine them is that literates learn the word, illiterates learn the world. Yeah? And literates, actually, even though they are supposedly learning the world through the word, that doesn't happen because they get trapped in the word itself. That is also because of the way a child in its growth, in its brain development, understands what it engages with. It doesn't understand what it is meant to engage with. So when it engages with the word, then it develops the brain or the system or the mind to engage with the word, printed word. But that is what it is seeing, that is what is getting recorded. So the brain develops a certain way of engagement which has to do with written word. So what I mean by modernity is that modernity is mediated knowing. Even though it is not knowing what it is getting mediated, that's a different matter. But it gets stuck with the tool or the which is meant to deviate, meant to describe. So when I say modernity, it is about mediated knowing, whereas in opposition to that, what we have is direct knowing, which means senses are used, autonomy is established, so you are the learner. So a correlation of this is that, another thing that we can add to this is that modernity denies the biological process involved in cognition, in understanding the world. Whereas in non-literate people, the senses are functioning and understanding is happening by its own. Like digestion happens on its own. There is no ego involved in digesting the food. So comprehension is also happening on its own. Just the way we learned our mother tongue, no attempt. We were there, things were happening, we absorbed, and organization happened on its own. So in this case, knowledge is not your creation. That your body is creating, or the whole system is involved in creating it. Mind, body is together is creating it. Whereas in modernity, the body is denied. The mind is taking the role of accessing information, and then it is, through reasoning, it is making a belief that it has understood. So understanding is done by mind. Again, body has no role. See, because even when Guru transmitted this so-called knowledge, the difference between traditional or knowledge system and modern knowledge system is that in traditional knowledge system, there is a very clear certain knows. For example, there is no description or meaning that is given with the slok. So the person is memorizing the slok, but it is not made to understand what it means. So the meaning gets, meaning happens when experience happens. Understand? So reasoning is never used. There is no meaning made of the slok. It is gone in and stays there. But when actual something happens, then there is a recall of the slok and true understanding takes place. You see, what is to be understood is that mind doesn't have a direct access to meaning or facts. It's a sense that will give direct facts. And mind is what is making the connection between the language and the meaning.